beach views with everything. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamyia, and I'm so excited to do another TEMU inspired designer luxury haul for you. Let's go ahead and get into it. I have some amazing items to show you, and I'm gonna start with this Coach inspired wallet. Isn't it so cute? Look at the details, the zipper, the gold hardware. Let's unzip her. So she has a bunch of compartments for your money and your cards. I absolutely love that for us. This is what it looks like from the side. And it's just really, really cute. And you could just hold this in your hand as so. You could put it in your purse. It would fit into a small purse, a large purse. And it's just very compact and cute. And I just love the details. This was really, really nicely done and thawed out. The zipper, great zipper, works very well. And it's just really, really cute. So speaking of Coach, I also found another belt to show you. I was trying to find a reversible one, but wasn't able to do so. But there's our C, and it is a black belt. And then we have our post, and we would just put the belt on and decide where you want it to fit comfortably and just put it in the post as so. Really, really cute, and it does come in a variety of sizes. Love that for us as well. It feels really nice. This is great quality. It doesn't crease or anything like that. The last one that I showed you, which I think it was the Bottega dupe, that one kind of creased rather easily. This one is very, very good quality, and it goes so well with this wallet or billfold, whichever word you choose to use. This is really, really, really nice. And at the time, well, the link that I chose, they only had this black one, but if you search, you can find other options. So this is, I believe, my second time showing you shoes, and I have these Gucci inspired sandals or slides right here. They look as so. This is what they look like from the side, back, bottom, and they're really, really comfortable. Really nice. Found these and had to show you. Absolutely love. They feel really good, just like anything you may grab from Target or department store. Really, really comfortable. I would suggest going a half size up. I normally wear 7.5, and that's what I got. And the only reason why is just so you could have room in here, because it does not like stretch. So I probably would more so recommend for my narrow foot girlies, and even then you may have to go up a half a size. The other shoes that I have to show you are Goyard inspired. They look as so. I thought I got a different color, but maybe I didn't. I don't remember. They look as so. So this is what you would see. The side, the bottom. Again, I recommend going up half a size. But these are really, really cute. They did have other colors. I apologize for the lighting change. And I just love the details. Like, hello. It's giving a Goyard without the price. Next, I have some jewelry to show you. Y'all, I don't know how I stumbled across this, but it is a Tiffany & Co. inspired necklace. Get into the details. That's all I'm going to say. This will be linked, and you will be very happy with your purchase. They did have other colors.
I do have real Tiffany necklace, earrings, bracelet, and baby, when I tell you, yeah, this is the one. Y'all see that splash of turquoise? Now this is stainless steel, as so. There is nothing on the back of the pendant. And again, that's the front of the pendant. If y'all don't get nothing else I'm showing you, get this, okay? I wanted to show y'all some Tiffany and Co before, but it got sold out before I could make my purchase, and I literally waited months to show you Inspired Tiffany and Co from TEMU. Amazon does have it, but of course everything is cheaper on TEMU. So also, even though I ordered all this at the same time, the Coach wallet and the necklace came separate from everything else. So if you decide to make a large purchase, you'll probably be in the same situation. So don't let that surprise you if you get the wallet or the necklace separately. Get this, okay? Another jewelry item that I have to show you are these Dior earrings. Oh my goodness, y'all. And when I was looking at them, I was like, these are so cute. I went ahead and put one in my ear. But before I show you, this is what the post looks like. These are so nice. So this is what it looks like in my ear. Isn't that so cute? I am in love. Look at that. I absolutely love how you can easily dress these up. I mean, they're for like a black tie, a special occasion. They're perfect. I am in love. Again, they look as so. Get you some of these. Okay. So cute. Next, I have these Louis Vuitton inspired sunglasses. They just have the V, just like earrings and necklaces that I have shown you in the past. Normally, I like a very large frame, but these are smaller. They're really, really cute, really comfortable. That's what they look like. That's what they look like from the side and back to the front. I really, really like these. Really, really nice. Really cute. So if you're into the smaller frames, it's really in style right now. I do recommend. Let me show you again. They feel really good. They feel like something you may find at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. That's the type of quality they're given. And I also wanted to show you this really cute headband from Miu Miu. It looks as so. I really wanted to show you the black one because I feel like a lot of people tend to lean towards black, but it kept being sold out. And I also thought the cream one was really, really nice. It's really, really good quality, really sturdy. This is what the inside looks like. It's not like extra pointy. It's not going to like hurt behind your ears or anything like that. And this is what it looks like on. Looks as so. Really, really cute. Put your hair down. Look how well y'all can see with my cream walls, but that's what it looks like. I really like it, and it did come in other colors as well. And I love the extra details right here. Really, really cute. The other thing I want to show you is some of my favorites that I have purchased so far from TEMU that I did decide to keep, because I don't keep everything, you know, like I'm seeing it online and purchasing it and showing you and getting a feel for it and see how I like it and try to give you an honest review. And then I also decide what it is that I'm actually going to keep. So everything is jewelry. I have kept these Bottega inspired earrings. They do have these in silver and gold. I have kept those. I recommend these. I feel like these can always be in style. You can easily dress them up or down. I have kept this Dior inspired bracelet. There's a D-I-O-R, if you can, there you go. And it's like a cuff, and it's just really, really cute. And I'll show you what it looks like on. And I decided to keep that. I've also kept these Alexander Wang earrings. I absolutely love the colors. Really nice. And this is what the post looks like. I've kept this Coach inspired bracelet. Let me show you. It basically looks like a belt. Looks as so. It's like a belt. I've kept a lot of silver because I don't have a lot of silver. If you've been here for a while, you probably noticed that I wear mainly gold. I also really like these Tiffany inspired earrings. They look as so, they like interlock. I really like these. And last but not least, I decided to keep these Louis Vuitton inspired earrings. I don't know if y'all can really see the details. It's all shaking or dangling. There you go. One more thing that I wanted to show you that's not necessarily designer, but if you're into the TikTok world, you have seen these name necklaces, and I decided to get me one. I feel like, well, I don't know. I haven't seen anyone yet where I live with one of these on, but I've definitely seen them a lot on social media. So when I looked at it, I felt like the letters might be a little big, but I love anything that's personalized, so I went ahead and got me one. And of course they're a lot, you know, cheaper on TEMU. I hope y'all can see well. It's like a little glare because it's like moving in the camera, but it's really, really nice. They did spell my name correctly. The only thing that I'm not a fan of, this color of fake gold, I wish it was a bit more, what's the word, maybe not as bronzy. I don't know, like it's a bit too bronzy for me, but I will wear it and it is super cute. And I love anything that's personalized. So those are some new things that I have purchased from TEMU to show you. I definitely want to show you some of my favorite things that I have kept while doing these videos. I'm trying to find different things I've never shown you before. I have shown a plethora of things. I believe this is my 6th TEMU video doing these, you know, designer inspired hauls. So they're really, really fun to do, and I really enjoy finding nice things that I can show you. So if you have any recommendations, anything you'd like to see, put them down below. Like I said before, I'm willing to search for anything, try anything except for perfume, just because I haven't had a good experience with their perfumes. But anything else, I'm willing to try to find. I know that y'all love these videos, so let me know what your favorite item is. Let me know if you've purchased something, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Just let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications.